Hello guys, if you just got a new vehicle like this 2026 Porsche Macan, well, let's keep it that way. On this vehicle we did a full front end paint protection film, and what that is, it's an 8mm self-healing film by XPEL. We installed it on the full hood, full fenders, front bumper. We did the whole lip right here in the bottom, the back of the mirrors. This film does not affect the way your vehicle looks. It matches the rest of the paint, except that this one has self-healing. It will protect you against rock chips, scratches, and any debris the road might throw at you. If you guys like a quote, give us a call at 714-987-3676 or visit our website at ocwraps.com. Thank you.
Caught up in the mix, plead the fifth, lost our innocence. Used to call me bro, you assist, how we get to this. But no blood in between us, just lust when you seen us. All them times we like green up, more than trees we just steam up. Your ex-man need to understand, he can really get it up again. The world don't know what they up against, but we do, so fuck him then, fuck him then. I've been the one that you know I am. I'm overdue for that plate of yams. You such a score, I should make a dance.
I know it's been a long time talking on the phone. Pull up on my downtime, creeping in your home. I ain't worried what these hoes say. Baby girl, we grown. I think you ready for the whole thing. We should make it known. Maybe we should make it known.